Today is the day 2 and currently I'm outside of my stay, and yesterday from evening it was raining till today morning, so around 12 hours of rain, and so in that the stay looks more beautiful. So yeah, I'll show you the surroundings. This looks so beautiful, and now I'm waiting for my auto for we are going for kayaking. So we have already paid 600 per head in advance just to avoid any rush or any crowd there. So yeah, once we get our auto, we'll continue from our kayaking point. Mm. So currently we are kayaking in the backwaters of Alleppey. So this is how the view looks. It's a beautiful view. I'll just show you furthermore. So now we have done kayaking for more than 2 hours. Still we have some distance left. So this is how kayaking experience will be in center of the lake. This is one of the largest lake in Kerala. So see the view. This is our kayak and how it looks.